In this video, I will show how to fix wireless mouse not working on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this problem, you can try some method. First one, unplugged battery and receiver. Now wait for 10 to 50 seconds, and after that reconnect battery and receiver. Second method, click on search and search here edit power options. So click on edit power plan. Now here click on power options. Click on choose what the power button do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Deselect turn on fast startup. Unselect turn on fast startup. Then click on save changes. Close it. Restart. Third method, search a device manager. Expand mic and other pointing devices. Right click on mouse, update driver. Search automatically. Close. And fourth method, again click on mouse update driver. Now this time select browse my computer and select let me pick from a list and select latest driver. Now close it and restart your system. And fifth method, right click on mouse, uninstall device and restart your system. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve wireless mouse not working on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and please comment.